Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Kwikset Rekey Kit that I just bought today at my local hardware store. I'm going to be rekeying 3 deadbolts, and it's going to be an easy kit to use. You don't need to call a locksmith to do this. You just got to be pretty handy and just pay really close attention to details. So here we go. The first thing you got to do is of course, get the deadbolts out the door. Screw them out. Once you have the deadbolts with you, what you want to do is you want to put the old key back on the deadbolt like this. So once you have the original key on the deadbolt, you're gonna, let me get this out. It'll be easier to use without that. You're going to use a small fork that this kit came with, this fork right here, and you're going to use that end of the fork, and you're going to take off this small ring right here, this lock ring, with that end of the fork, so that way you can pull this cylinder out that has the pins inside of this small compartment here, and so you can put the brand new pins in there, and you'll be done in no time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down and show you how I do it. So here we go. You gotta take this pin out right here. Once it's off, just slide it out. There we go. This part right here just comes off. Be careful. Don't let the cylinder from inside the bolt slide out. What you want to do is, this is the front of it. Keep the key straight and turn it slightly, probably about 5 degrees to your left, and use this sliding pin to go ahead and slide the cylinder out while you still have it at an angle, just like this. So be very careful and slide it out slowly. And keep this slider inside the deadbolt itself. And as you can see, this is where all the pins are at. And you're gonna take out these pins, and the kit comes with the new key pin combination that you're gonna add them, which come in this bag right here. And just follow these simple instructions. It's telling you that you're gonna put in the silver, red, green, gold, and purple back on the cylinder once you take out the old ones. So here we go. Just gonna drop the old ones. I'm gonna pick the ones I need from this small bag that comes with the kit: silver, red, green, and gold, and purple, and put them in order back on the cylinder pin. And by the way, those old pins you don't need anymore, you can just throw away, but try not to mix them in with the new pins, because then you'll really get confused. So first, it's telling me, oh, I'm sorry. Once you take out the old pins, you're okay to take out the old key and put the new key back in that comes with the kit. So I'm putting the new key into the cylinder, and now I'm putting in the new pins that match the grooves on the key. So first it's telling me to put a silver. Oops. Then it's telling me to put a red, then green, then gold, and last, purple. And if you did it all correctly, all the pins should be just flush on top of the cylinder. And what you want to do next is before you put it back in, make sure you have it at a 5-degree angle from this spring compartment on here, because if you don't have it at that angle, the springs inside of this compartment are just gonna fall off and you're gonna have a real difficult time putting the springs back on here if they're still in good condition. So what you want to do once you put in the brand new pins is simply turn it 5 degrees, just like you took it out the first time, and push the sliding pin back in slowly. Once you've done that, you're all done. Put this back like normal and put this sliding lock back in there. Just like this. Oops, sorry. It's a little bit tough. There we go. And all set. Take out the key and use the new deadbolt. Has a new lock to it. So now you just gotta install it back on the door, just like how you took it off. And the brand new key is ready to be used on the old deadbolt. And that's how you use the rekeying kit. Fairly simple to do. Just follow the instructions. If this video wasn't too helpful for you, I would definitely read the instructions. And just be careful of when you slide the old pin back, the old cylinder out to put in the new pins. So hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know at the bottom comments. Thank you.